Hi there. We are now looking at NotebookLM.google.com, and NotebookLM, in its newest iteration, now has video overviews. If you go into an existing notebook in NotebookLM, you will notice that there's a new interface. The Studio now has audio overviews by button, which is new, the mind map, and then the reports. The briefing doc, study guide, frequently asked questions, and timeline, all of which were there before, but are now available by button. All of your creations will exist on the right side inside of your studio. You will notice that the video overview can be customized if we click on Customize. We can tell the AI what it should focus on in the video that we are going to create. Once you have in your prompt, you can then click Generate. You will notice then that the interface is now generating a video overview. You also notice that there is another video overview that has already been generated. You can generate a second video overview and have that overview available here in this area. Once your video overview has been generated, you can download it to your drive. You can then play the video.
The Explainer. Today, we are diving into a really powerful management philosophy, one that pretty much flips conventional business wisdom completely on its head. And it all comes from the brilliant business novels of Eliyahu Goldratt.
So this whole idea really starts with one provocative question. What if the very rules were all taught to...
As you can see, the video is approximately 8 minutes long, and it covers all of the sources that you ask for in your video creation and customization. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.